Hey Glam fam, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for clicking that button to watch. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Glam. So today we're gonna go ahead and do one anti-Valentine look and one Valentine makeup look. So yeah, let's just get right into it. It's weird because my camera is so far away from me now. And I'm drinking, like, I need a little energy, so I'm drinking this little V8. And I put a straw in it because I put some liquid THC in my drink in here. Let's just get right into it. So I haven't primed my face yet, so I'm gonna do that first. I did do my eyebrows because I needed to pluck. This is so cool. I'm so happy I have like my whole room now and like all that. It's time to get serious. My coworker actually helped me come up with this idea to do one anti-Valentine's look and one Valentine's Day look. I was just gonna do the anti. There's some people that are just like, forget, you know, Valentine's, and then there's some people that love Valentine's Day. Me, I like Valentine's Day, but I do think it's overrated, and I'm married and we show love every day. We appreciate each other every day. We do random things for each other every day. So yeah, I just think it's like commercialized, but we're just gonna do it. Let's do the anti because that's what I want to do. This look looks crazy. Like, I don't even know what this was supposed to be. Okay, new idea. We're starting fresh. I'm gonna put this on. Conceal this again. Sorry, y'all, but I think I know what I'm gonna do this time. It's because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I did not know at all, but I have an idea now. I'm gonna go in with a straight up red. All right, so we're just gonna go in with this red here, but we're gonna go in with this one here. It's gonna be a smoky eye with red and black. So let's see how this works. I am going to use Kathleen Lights Dream Street. I just got this one and I'm obsessed with this color here. It is called Magical. I'm gonna go up just a little bit because this is gonna be the transition color. Next, we're gonna go on with the red, which wish me luck. So the red, I'm going to keep it like not too high. And it's gonna look crazy because red is like a really hard color to make and to freaking blend. We don't want to go much higher than that. And we're just gonna take this small little brush and we're just gonna go in, make it a little bit more red. And go back in blending. If you see my smoky eye tutorial, pretty much gonna be doing the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and put this black, it's like a little chubby stick, jumbo eye pencil, and we're just going to just get it down here. Like, you don't wanna go up too high with it. And it doesn't have to be perfect either because you're gonna end up blending it. That is it. And tell me why I didn't know you can sharpen these. I'm like, how? I did not pay this much for me to have this much product. And then I went in the NYX store, and that's when I had the bad experience with NYX. I don't know if I ever posted that video, but she's like, oh, you just sharpen it. And I'm like, oh, well, it looks plastic, so I didn't know I could sharpen it. Yeah, that's what I told her. So we're just gonna go on with this one here. This one, and this is a Sonia Kashuk, and we're just gonna blend it out a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with it again, just to go up a little higher. And then once you have that, we're gonna go ahead and pack on some black. Now, Jaclyn Hill, one of her palettes has a really dark black, so we're gonna use that. It's called Temptress, which is this one here. And that one, that black is intense, girl. So we're gonna use that. And we're just gonna tap it on. And next, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. Take this one again. And then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do the red. And that's gonna help blend it out a little bit. It's still kind of sharp, so this one that I took the red with, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. I'm gonna go back in with Dream Street and go back in with this color here. You could see the little cut I had on my eye when I did my eyebrows. But okay, so we're gonna go back in with black, and I know I keep going back, but you're smoky, I can't be too smoky. I'm gonna do my other eye, and for that eye, we're gonna do the Valentine eye. So we're just gonna make that one like a really cute pink eye. I'm gonna go in with this NYX palette. I love this palette because it's so colorful and it's just cute. So I'm gonna go in with first this peach color here as our transition. This one I'm gonna put all over the entire lid. And do a really pink look. Okay, and we're just gonna keep deepening that one because I actually really like it. Hold on. We're gonna go in with this pink right here. And then next we're gonna go in with, I told you this one's gonna be really just like a really soft, cute look. So we're gonna go in with this one, which is, well, you can't really see the colors. This is a Mochi, Love You Some Mochi palette. And I'm just gonna place that in the middle. Yes. Okay, so next I'm gonna go a little deeper. I'm gonna go a little deeper on the pink. We're gonna add some of this little NYX. Hey, it's like a NYX day. And I'm gonna just go. gonna use this little Starstruck by, I have no idea how to say it, but we're just gonna do like a quick little liner. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face. This side is still freaking bothering me. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. We're gonna do the bottom of our eyelids and then of like our under eyes and then lipstick and then we'll be done. So we're gonna go back into the NYX and the red. We're gonna do the smoky eye first. So I'm gonna bring it down kind of low. And then I'm gonna go ahead with, I'm just gonna go on with this one. This is like the L'Oreal Paris High Intensity Pigments. I think, to be honest with you, I think this was my grandma's because I don't know where I got this from. So we're gonna use it today just to tighten in this. Okay, so I just like tightened it up. My eye got a little watery. Okay, I think this eye's done. I'll do lashes at the end. And then for this eye, we're gonna go in with this pinkish color here, peach pink, and then this one here. And I think I'm gonna try and do a wing, although that always fails, but I feel like it would be cute. So we're just gonna do a small little wing. Just a small little like cute wing. We're gonna go back into the Mochi and I'm gonna go in with this color. This one I'll do a little inner corner. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put white in this eye. Alright, so we're gonna do lashes because I want to get the full effect. I'm gonna do some big lashes because it's Valentine's Day. Well, you know what I want to try and do is do half red and half pink. Okay, so next is the lashes. Okay, so I'm done. I'm finally done. I got lashes on. Excuse my dogs because they're going crazy because I think my husband just walked in through the door. But this is the final look. This is the Anti-Valentine look. And this is the Pro-Valentine or just the Valentine look. These are the same lashes and I don't know why these look so much crazier than these. Why these look so much crazier than these, but yes, let me know if you guys like this little my look that I created, the half and half, and let me know what y'all think. See you guys next time. Peace.